Google published details about its AI supercomputer on Wednesday, saying it is faster and more efficient than competing Nvidia systems. While Nvidia dominates the market for AI model training and development with over 90%, Google has been designing and deploying a chip called Tensor Processing Unit for artificial intelligence since 2016. Doesn't that sound intimidating? Show me your Tensor Processing Unit. I want to see your TPU, sir.
TPU?
Yeah, I want to see your TPU, sir.
TP?
That's right.
It's in Pixel devices, right? The Tensor chip?
Yeah, but it's different than
It's a
this.
different
Yeah, I think
architecture.
this will just be the kind of language they use around their hardware in this
TP?
category.
Yeah.
Tensor.
Yeah.
Google published details on Wednesday. Nvidia dominates the market for AI model training and deployment with over 90%. Google has been designing and deploying AI chips since 2016. And AI models and products such as Google's Bard or OpenAI's ChatGPT, which is powered by NVIDIA's A100 chips, require many computers, hundreds or thousands of chips to work together to train models. So NVIDIA's not mad. NVIDIA's like, I don't care, NFTs or AI, what do you need?
Yeah, who cares? We're just building chips here.
Well, you want the A100? A100 in there. On Tuesday, Google said it had built a system with over 4,000 TPUs joined with custom components designed to run and train AI models. It's been running since 2020 and used to train Google's PaLM model, which competes with OpenAI's GPT model over 50 days. Google's TPU-based supercomputer called TPU v4 is 1.2 times to 1.7 times faster and uses 1.3 times to 1.9 times less power than the NVIDIA A100. However, NVIDIA is also working on their next thing, and they're like, you can keep comparing yourself to our old thing because we got the next thing. It's better, more efficient, more AI, coming right up.
The race starts.
Coming right up. Yeah, man. It's going to be like 6 companies, 2 warehouses, mega structures, everything goes through it. Every human inquiry.
It's going to be like the Wizard of Oz.
Every human inquiry, just all the data centralized. Everything about
It's
everyone.
a low hum.
Oh, baby, it's a hum. Tell you what. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.